Hey guys, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the ROAV Jett sunglasses. So this is a folding pair of sunglasses and they fold down to a very small form factor. They have these snap hinges which easily snap into place, so they're easily able to be folded up into a very small form factor. With them in their folding position, you can easily put them in the protective case, and then easily just put that in your pocket or throw it around or do whatever, and they're going to be perfectly safe. Now let's try on these sunglasses and talk about the dimensions. These sunglasses have 54mm lenses. They also have an 18mm bridge. I think these sunglasses look very good on face. They also look very unique with their really cool styling here and the matte frames that they have. I think these matte frames look really good with these dark lenses, and I think overall they are a really cool pair of sunglasses. These sunglasses have really nice and comfortable rubberized ear rests and nose pads. These sunglasses are completely polarized, and they also offer 100% UVA and UVB protection. As far as price goes, these cost around $175, but for current pricing and availability, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. You guys can check these sunglasses out on their website. My biggest complaint about these sunglasses is definitely the coverage. As you guys can see, there's definitely some gaps to let sunlight in unprotected up top, and then here on the sides of sunglasses, again, there's going to be gaps to let sunlight in unprotected. And the reason why there's such big gaps is because these sunglasses fold down into such a small form factor. So as you guys can see, these sunglasses are so thin and they don't really have any curve to them. And because they don't have a curve, they're not going to fit the face by curving around. These sunglasses are the world's thinnest sunglasses, and here I'm going to compare them to a traditional Ray-Ban Wayfarer folding. And as you guys can see, they are so much thinner than these original Ray-Ban Wayfarers. It's not even close. As far as weight goes too, these sunglasses only weigh around 15 grams, so they're extremely lightweight, and because of that, you can wear these sunglasses for long periods of time without any discomfort. The sunglasses have spring hinges, so as you guys can see, these sunglasses can bend out and they're going to give a custom fit to any face. But overall, these are definitely a very good pair of sunglasses. Let me know what you guys think about these sunglasses in the comment section down below. I'm definitely interested to see what you guys have to say about this, but that's all good for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button and then to be notified every single time I upload a brand new video just like this one to my YouTube channel. Again, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.